Creating a budget spreadsheet is a crucial tool for managing personal finances, tracking expenses, and achieving financial goals. By organizing and categorizing income and expenses in a spreadsheet format, individuals can gain a clear understanding of their financial situation and make informed decisions about their money. In this essay, we will provide a detailed guide on how to create a budget spreadsheet, including step-by-step instructions and tips for effective budgeting. Step 1. Open a spreadsheet program. The first step in creating a budget spreadsheet is to open a spreadsheet program such as Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or Apple Numbers. These programs offer a variety of features and tools that make it easy to organize and analyze financial data. Step 2. Set up the spreadsheet layout. Once you have opened the spreadsheet program, you will need to set up the layout of your budget spreadsheet. Start by creating column headings for income and expenses. You can also include additional columns for categories such as housing, transportation, groceries, entertainment, and savings. This will help you to easily track and categorize your expenses. Next, create row headings for each month of the year.